Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to auto turn off your PlayStation 5 and set a timer. So on the home screen here, we want to go up to the top and select this, and then scroll on down to System. Now under here, we want to go to Power Saving Settings, then go to Right and go to Set Time until PS5 enters rest mode. Set how long your PS5 can stay inactive before it automatically enters rest mode. If you select do not put in rest mode, your PS5 will stay turned on. So we can select this, and then we have two options under here. We have during media playback for like videos. So I put mine to 4 hours. Most movies are about 2 to 3 hours long. Otherwise, you can go down to do not put in rest mode. Then we have the option for while playing games. So I have mine set to 1 hour, but the least amount is 20 minutes. So if your controller is inactive, you're not touching it, after about 20 minutes to an hour, whatever you have selected, your PlayStation 5 will automatically turn off. Now, if we back up from here, we also have the option to set timer for our controller. Mine is after 10 minutes. Then if we back out to the main setting page here, and then scroll on down, we want to go to where it says screen and view, then go to screen, and we have the dim screen while inactive. I have mine set to 15 minutes, and I believe this is the default. But if you want to go ahead and darken your screen after a certain amount of time, you can set it right here after 5 minutes. This will consume less power and could save you like your TV screen from having like a burned in image or something like that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.